Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie and today we're making a delicious Serradura, which is a Portuguese sawdust pudding. This simple and easy recipe can be whipped up in less than 15 minutes without using any heat source. Perfect during the hot summer months. So let's get baking. In a bowl of a food processor, we'll add the specialty cookies. I'm using Maria biscuits, which I'm sure you can find at your local supermarket. On the blog, I explain the difference between specialty and Maria's, so check it out. We'll put the lid on, pulse a few times before letting it run until the cookies resemble sawdust, which translates to Serradura. This is the texture we're looking for. Dusty. It won't take long to achieve it, maybe a couple of minutes at the most. If there are some little chunks left, we'll just break them between our fingers. Alright, so we'll set them aside while we start our pudding. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add heavy cream and pure vanilla extract. Now, you can use rum extract, maple extract, or even orange extract if you want. Have fun with your pudding. You don't need to stick to vanilla. And we'll also add a pinch of ground sea salt. Using the whisk attachment, we'll process on medium-high speed until medium peaks form. We're basically making whipped cream here. When this step is done, we'll add sweetened condensed milk, yummy, and we'll gently fold it into our whipped cream while rotating the bowl. It's easier that way. Next, we'll assemble the dessert. In serving dishes, we'll evenly spoon a layer of cookie sawdust. We just give a little shake to make the layer level. Then a layer of our whipped cream mixture. Take your time to make it neat. We'll continue alternating a layer of cookie sawdust followed by whipped cream until we get to the top, finishing with cookie sawdust. For the purpose of this video and also taking pictures, my dessert dishes are very big, but when using smaller ones, you should have more layers in your dessert. We'll give another shake to level the tops and then cover each dish with plastic wrap. We'll transfer them to the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight. Later on or the next day, just before serving, we'll decorate the tops of the puddings. I like dusting mine with some dark cocoa powder, placing a strawberry per dessert dish along with a cookie. And my friends, this is our Portuguese Sawdust Pudding. This no-bake easy dessert is a tasty recipe to make during the hot summer months. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!